For those who are preparing for Civil Services Preliminary Examination 2022, I want to tell you one thing. See, we will be bothered about mains. Yes, 100% we have to bother about mains. Why? Because mains will be determining the rank, whereas prelims is only qualifying nature. But at the same time, you have to remember that if you qualify prelims only, then you can write that mains. Because of the competition, UPSC has increased the toughness of the examination of prelims multifold. CSAT, which was a cakewalk in 2013, 2014, 15, now it is becoming very tougher task. So I tell to those students who are preparing by self for preliminary examination, take those question papers, those test series which are not popular in the market. Take those questions, take those test series which are made with soul, which are made with hard work, which are made with quality content. Quality is important. So that questions also are important while you are practicing the MCQs, multiple choice questions. So please be very serious while choosing your test series or choosing the multiple choice questions in your preparation. If you clear prelims only, then you are going to write the mains examination. Quality of the question papers are most important. How the quality is been made. How the question paper of this multiple choice questions, preliminary mock tests are there. That is also important. Not only whether we are writing the mock test or not. It's also about how the question paper of that mock test is there. That is also very, very important. So my dear students, in this context, I want to tell you, don't neglect prelims. Prelims also equally important. And go for those test series which are quality. Quality question papers are very important. Quality MCQs are important. So if your test series is quality, if your MCQs which you are solving is quality, 100% you are going to crack the prelims examination. All the best. Thank you.